Hey, what's going on everyone? Infinix set to launch the Note 7 in India. So in this video we'll be talking about the expected launch date and specification of Infinix Note 7. So a lot to know, a lot to discuss. My name is Shobik. Welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Hong Kong based smartphone maker Infinix is set to unveil the Note 7 in India. The company revealed through a video teaser on YouTube that the smartphone will be launched on September 16. The Infinix Note 7 was launched globally in April, but it is coming to India only after 4 months. The smartphone will be exclusively sold via Flipkart. Infinix has launched quite a lot of phones this year, and its last release was the entry-level smartphone Infinix Smart 4 Plus, which has the largest 6.85-inch display. However, Infinix is going to change the dynamics with Note 7 as the device will be launching with a 6.95-inch display, which is the biggest screen offered by the company so far. Along with Note 7, Infinix could also launch a watered-down version of it, the Note 7 Lite, but there has no confirmation about the same from the company. Meanwhile, let's take a look at the specifications and features of Note 7 along with the expected price in India. The Infinix Note 7 features a 6.95-inch HD Plus IPS display with a resolution of 720x1640 pixels and has an aspect ratio of 20.5:9. The smartphone is powered by MediaTek Helio G70 SoC coupled with up to 6GB of RAM and 120GB of storage, which can be expandable up to 2TB using a microSD card. In terms of camera, the Infinix Note 7 features a circular camera island at the rear, which comprises of 4 camera sensors. The round camera island features a 48-megapixel primary sensor, 2-megapixel macro sensor, 2-megapixel depth sensor, and a sensor for low light pictures. Not just quad cameras, the Infinix Note 7 features quad LED light as well. On the front, there is a 16-megapixel camera for selfies. The Infinix Note 7 houses a 5000 mAh battery with the support of 18-watt fast charging. This would be the first smartphone by Infinix in India to come with fast charging support. For connectivity, the smartphone features a 3.5mm headphone jack and a support of 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, Bluetooth, GPS, and micro USB. The smartphone also comes with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and a couple of other sensors. Now let's talk about the expected price of Infinix Note 7. The Infinix Note 7 will be launched on Flipkart on 16 September. Although the company has not revealed the price of the device, it is expected to be under 15,000 Indian rupees. Now let's wait till September 16 for this device to be released. So that is all for today's video. Please let me know your thoughts about Infinix Note 7 in the comment section below. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The links are in the description. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.